All right, this problem is 4 minus 3 cosine squared of theta is equal to cosine squared theta plus 1. We're asked to solve for theta between 0 and 2 pi. So for this one, we want to solve for cosine. So let's get the cosine squareds on one side and the constants on the other side. So if we subtract cosine squared from both sides, and subtract 4 from both sides. That will be 0, this will be 0, and we're left with negative 3 cosine squared minus cosine squared is negative 4 cosine squared theta is equal to 1 minus 4 is negative 3. All right, now let's divide both sides by negative 4. Negative 4. And we get cosine squared theta is equal to a negative divided by a negative is positive, so this is just positive 3/4. Now we have cosine, we have cosine squared, we need cosine, so let's take the square root of both sides. So we're going to get cosine theta is equal to the square root of 3 over the square root of 4, which is 2. But with these, remember to always do plus or minus. All right, so cosine of theta is either positive or negative square root of 3 over 2. So let's look for places on our unit circle where the cosine is either positive square root of 3 over 2 or negative square root of 3 over 2. So we've got pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. So theta is going to be pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. Those are the 4 answers for that problem.